In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to detach video from background in Canva. This is a quick but very powerful trick that lets you separate the subject of your video from whatever is behind it. So you can create cleaner, more professional designs, or place your video on a different background. First, make sure you're on the correct page in Canva. Open the design that contains the video you want to edit. This might be a presentation slide, a social media post, or any custom sized canvas. Once your design is open, look for the page or slide where your video is placed. If you have multiple pages, you can use the page thumbnails on the left side to navigate and click on the one that holds your video. Now, click directly on the video on that page. You should see a bounding box or selection outline appear around it. This confirms that the video is selected and ready for editing. If you accidentally click on the background or another element, just try again and make sure only the video is highlighted. With the video selected, move your mouse over the video area and right-click. This will open a context menu with several options related to that video element. Take a moment to scan the menu, because this is where the detach option is found. In that menu, look for the option that says Detach Video from Background and click it. When you do this, Canva separates the actual video content from the background it was originally attached to. Essentially, the video layer becomes independent, so you can move it, resize it, or place it over a new background while keeping the subject intact. After detaching, you can click and drag the video to reposition it anywhere on the page. You might want to add a solid color, a gradient, an image, or even another video behind it to create a unique look. If something doesn't look right, you can always undo your last action using the undo button at the top of the editor. That's all there is to it. By clicking on the video page, selecting your video, right-clicking, and choosing Detach Video from Background,